Hi, in this video I'm gonna explain to you why you should never use recycled content like from TikTok and post it on YouTube. I've recently had a chat with AI, with Gemini, what you do these days, and Gemini explained to me, do not do that. What I used to do is I used to create a video on TikTok and I embedded these dynamic captions. I love that on TikTok, but unfortunately YouTube Shorts doesn't have these dynamic captions yet. And so I used to, once the video was created on TikTok, it automatically downloaded it on my phone, and then I uploaded that file to YouTube with the captions in there. But apparently in 2026, YouTube's algorithm is incredibly aggressive about penalizing this recycled content. So if you download that video from TikTok, YouTube system will instantly detect the TikTok watermark, and even if you remove the watermark, YouTube still detects this hidden metadata and compression artifacts from TikTok, and it will actively suppress your video, meaning it will get almost 0 views on the Shorts feed. And I have to say, I've looked back in the past, I've done that before, put a video up, and it had very little views on YouTube. So YouTube is saying use the clean original master file. So there is a workaround for that. For instance, TikTok uses CapCut, the connection with CapCut, to create these dynamic captions. So what you could do is create your video in the software CapCut and put these dynamic captions in there from there, and then create of course, the original video file from the editing software. And that will not penalize you on YouTube. But just do not use that video that created on TikTok, download it, and then post it on YouTube. And so what I've done is I've just used the original file on TikTok, uploaded it on Instagram and on YouTube. Of course, and Instagram also has these dynamic captions very nicely now. So I think YouTube will have that one day. So please, YouTube, update your Shorts, these dynamic captions. That would be really, really good. So I've uploaded the original master file to all 3 platforms, and then I worked on the subtitles. And that was, I know it took me much more time, but at least these videos will be seen, which is the most important thing. So I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit a like, share the video if you really found it useful and you want to share it to other people, and subscribe to our channel.